Religious leaders have been cautioned against the use of hate and inflammatory speeches in the course of delivering their sermons to their followers as one way to build trust and douse religious suspicion and tensions. This and more constituted the central themes of discussion at the conference hall of the Abuja National Mosque, where the Faith and Freedom Africa is organizing a two-day conference that is focused on promoting religious freedom and peaceful coexistence in Nigeria.
The event themed Islam and the image of religious freedom in Nigeria, building a just and peaceful Nigeria, brought together Muslim leaders, traditional rulers, and scholars to discuss the role of Islam in fostering a harmonious society. Mr. Felix Joseph Samari, the country representative of the FFA Nigeria, stated that the conference aims at exploring ways to promote mutual understanding, tolerance, and respect among different faiths, emphasizing Nigeria's constitutionally guaranteed freedom of religion.
For us in Faith and Freedom Africa, we're talking about freedom of religion or belief. And freedom of religion or belief does not protect any religion. It protects human beings because it is a human right. It is about everyone having the right to practice his religion either alone or in group. And like you heard from Prof this morning, this is guaranteed by Section 38 of the Nigerian Constitution, and it is also supported by other international declarations and covenants that Nigeria is a signatory to.
Guest speaker, Professor Ahmed Bello Dogarawa, who delivered a lecture titled How Religious Freedom Strengthens Islamic Mission and Peace Building, called for understanding and peaceful coexistence among the faithfuls.
People who make inflammatory statements in their sermons are really not following the teachings of the religion. And they should know that they have a moral obligation to guide their congregations. People look up to them.
Other eminent personalities gave their estimations of the event.
In the absence of peace, no one will go to the mosque and no one will go to the church. I can cite an example of corona pandemic when we witnessed all the mosques, the churches are under lock and chain.
Banditry is banditry. You can't say Islamic banditry. Terrorism is bad. Everybody knows. Muslims know it. Christians know it. The Jews know it. You can't say Islamic terrorism. This is an oxymoron. And it's a negative oxymoron, which I want together we can work together for national good. So let us try to decipher, delineate, be discernible on how we make this presentation, and the objective is the nation.
Panel discussions on the topic, perceptions of Muslim communities and realities of religious coexistence, concluded the section. The discussion centered on addressing the Nigerian challenges of religious freedom, promoting interfaith dialogue, and building a more inclusive society. Daniel Obi, ASO Television News.